In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start using Grok AI, a beginner's guide. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer, tablet, or phone. Any modern browser works well, and a stable internet connection will make everything feel smooth and responsive. If your device is running a lot of heavy tabs, closing a few can help the site and the chat load faster. Next, head to the official Grok AI website. Watch out for lookalike pages or search ads that may redirect you elsewhere. To make this easy and secure, I've placed the official website link right at the top of the description. Use that link to go directly to the correct page, and consider bookmarking it for quick access later. When the site loads, you'll see the Grok AI chat window front and center. The conversation thread will appear in the main area, and at the bottom you'll find the input box where you can type your message, along with a send button. If you've used chat apps before, the layout will feel very familiar. You can scroll to review past messages as the conversation grows. Click in the input field and type your first prompt. This can be a question, a task, or a topic you want explained. Clear, specific prompts usually produce the best results. Instead of help with history, try summarize the main causes of the French Revolution in 3 concise points. You can also set expectations like tone and length. For example, explain like I'm new to this, or keep it under 150 words. Other good prompts might be outline a polite email declining a meeting, explain this code snippet line by line, or suggest a 3-day itinerary for Tokyo with budget-friendly options. Submit your prompt by pressing enter or clicking the send button. Grok AI will start generating a response right away. If your prompt is long, give it a moment to process. The reply will appear in the conversation thread. Read Grok's response and check that it matches what you asked for. If you want more detail, ask for examples or a step-by-step explanation. If something feels too complex, request a simpler version or a quick summary. And as a best practice, avoid sharing private or sensitive information, and verify important facts with trusted sources. From here, continue interacting as much as you like. Ask follow-up questions, refine your request with more context, or switch topics. Building on the same thread helps Grok keep context, so feel free to iterate until the answer fits your needs. That's how beginners can start using Grok AI quickly and easily. Thanks for watching.